Anthony Cox here with Brothers Hail and Dent Repair. Today we're working on a Ram 2500 with a crease dent at the bottom of the door. I'm going to attempt this with glue only to avoid taking the door off the vehicle. Let's get into it. Checking this dent out in the light. Pretty sharp crease, probably about 8 inches. Little scuff in the paint going through it, but I think it'll hold up just fine. Let's try it out. Got a lot of snow last night here in Colorado. About 8 inches in the grass and the trees. Didn't really stick to the streets. Snow day for the kids. Brought my daughter with me.